Okay,
do it.
here we go.
Yeah, we'll do it.
This is where we show you the ins and outs and everything there is to know about mobile homes. It is truly our mission to transform lives through mobile homes. So thanks for watching Franco Mobile Homes. So we're taking measurements right now, documenting. Done measuring. Cool.
You never know how good you have it, until you're staring at a picture of the only girl that matters. Know what we're supposed to do. It's hard for me to let go of you, so I'm just trying to hold on, hold on. I don't wanna know what it's like when you're gone. I don't wanna move on. I don't wanna know what it's like when you're gone for good. You're slipping through my fingertips, a little bit by a little bit. I didn't know the love you.
So here's the home that me and Tal were measuring. That was on fire. We just demoed it out.
We're gonna put a new home in here. Before we put the new home, we have to demolish it, put it to pieces. They have to hose it down so that way the dust doesn't go everywhere. And then they have 2 tractors.
It's already broken down, but they're just clearing out all the demo debris.
You don't need me, wanna believe it's all for the